In this video, I am going to show you how to verify domain in Bluehost. So let's see how we can do it. So to do this, at first we need to log into our Bluehost portal. Go to bluehost.com and then from the top just click on login. And this will take you to the login page. And here you need to enter your Bluehost portal username and password. And after that you need to click on login. And this will take us to the dashboard of our Bluehost account. Now from the Bluehost account dashboard, from the left menu click on domains, and after that click on my domains, and here you will see all the domains that you have purchased from Bluehost. As you can see that my domain name is already verified, but if my domain name is not verified, then here we will see verify now button, and after that when I click on this button, it will send me a verification code on my registered email address that I have used while creating Bluehost account. And after that I just need to copy the code from there and paste it here and click on verify now, and in this way my domain name will be verified. So this is how you can verify your domain name in Bluehost. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.